Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable phone calls for your speaker MTUNE M1. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here we have phone calls. So to enable, just click at this slider, and to disable again. The difference is this color at the background. So if on this slider you have this like some color, I have purple right now, it means that it enabled. So you just click on it to disable. And if you have empty background, it means that it's disabled. So you can click on it and you enable. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!